here's my thinking. Walk around the park, go and get a little scoots, and scoot up and down the Corniche, and go and have a little Corniche adventure, a little explore, see what I can find. I definitely want to get on one of those electric scooters, or maybe a bike. And it looks like there's some sort of event going on here as well. In the park there. I wonder what that is. Maybe you can find out. But yeah, get a scooter, walk around the park, go down the Corniche, go and have a little look what's around. See you, boss. Yeah. So that dude on the bike just told me you can't go that way. There's an event on. No idea what it is, but I'll wander around this way to see what we can find. Welcome to the vlog. Second episode in Qatar. Gonna go on a little adventure, see what I can find. That's the map now. That's Mia Park. This is Mia Park, or MIA Park. Next to the museum. I'm gonna go in there as well at some point and do a vlog in there, definitely. Oh, what a gorgeous day it is today. Definitely going to go in there at some point and do just 2 museums in this area. I'm going to do a vlog about the museums soon as well. I think I'll do that as a separate one. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. This is my second Doha vlog on this channel. Didn't really make a plan for this one. I just thought I'd come out and film the Corniche and see what I can find. Definitely get on one of them scooters or a little bike or something in a bit. If you want to see me travelling around Doha, give us a follow, subscribe, like, comment, all that nonsense. If you like Asia, I'm heading back to Asia. I'm going to Chiang Mai in Thailand. Then I'm going to Laos, Cambodia, and then Vietnam as well. Can't wait, absolutely buzzing. I've never been to Cambodia or Laos before, so I'm so looking forward to that. I'm also going to Abu Dhabi in a week or two's time. So yeah, excited about that as well. So yeah, give us a follow. Join in on the adventures. Also, if you want me to go and film somewhere here in Doha, then give me a shout. Or if there is anybody that does vlogs or content or anything and they want to do a collab, then give us a shout. My Instagram is linked to the page, so send me a message on there or email or whatever. I'd be up for doing a collab with someone if they want to go on a little adventure as well. Yeah, hit me up. So that over there, the colourful buildings, that's Doha Old Port. It's just had a revamp over the last couple of years. I think I'll go and do a video there as well. It's cool. All the buildings are all colourful and been refurbed, and there's loads of artwork and stuff on them. And there's like a fish market there and some restaurants, cafes and stuff, so I'll head there one day as well. Try and get as much filming done as possible while I'm in Doha and then bounce. I'm going to do a little loop of this little end bit now, and then I'm going to try and get on a scoots and head over the other way.
Okay.
Peace. Where in South Africa are you from?
Cape Town.
Cape Town?
Yeah.
How long have you been in Qatar?
2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah,
Do you like it?
Yeah, sure.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is that speaking? Oh, it's this one. I thought it was the phone. It's like, it's really good.
No, it's not the phone.
What are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm just,
Chilling?
around chilling.
Day off?
Yeah, today's my day off, so just come out to have a nice view.
Yeah.
Stuff, so
It's nice here, right?
It's nice.
It's nice this time of day. Like later on, it's very busy, right?
Sure.
Crazy. What's your name, brother?
Jersey.
Jersey?
Jersey.
Jersey?
Where's yours?
Matty.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah.
Do you want to follow me on YouTube?
I
just started it.
Wow, nice.
Matty's Adventure.
Please, you guys should follow Martin on YouTube. Like, he's a nice guy. Like.
Yeah, nice. Thanks, brother.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay,
Peace. Cool. He was a nice guy, that guy. I don't know what that is. There's no sign or anything for it, but it's nice. Normally there's a sign somewhere. Anyway, that's the loop done of Mere Park. I'm gonna go back and get a scooter, I think, or a bike, and go over that way and see what I can see. I've actually just seen some people kayaking there. I'm gonna see if you can go kayaking. I might get in the water and go for a little kayak. Should be fun. Look, you can see him over there. See him over there, look. The light is so bad, sorry if you can't see my face. Sun's right in my way. Let me see if I can get on this kayak now. I don't think there's anyone in there. Oh, man. There's kayaks there. But there's, I think he must be on the water. Damn. Nowhere to be seen. Oh well, I'll go back. Hey bro, can you take me back around that way? Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Thanks, brother. Have a nice day. Cool. Free ride out of the park. Trying to find a scooter. I can't decide whether scoots or bike. The bike's got a basket, which means I can put my bag in it. Wish I had a coin, I'd flip a coin. I think I'm gonna go for a scoot. Oh, there's more here. Look at that. That's got a little seat on it. I'm gonna get a scooter, bro. Thanks. Yeah, definitely gonna get a scooter. Alright, I'm on. I need to switch to the GoPro to operate my camera. Oh, you f***ed. Me. No. No. Oh, you're mate. Yo, so I just went from all the way over there to here on the lime, on the bike, on the scoots. I don't know if you see, I don't know if I caught it on camera, but I just dropped my camera, the one I'm using now, and it's broken. So I'm gutted about that. It's broken, the little thing to move it. I have to try and go home and try and get that fixed. But I wanted to say, someone told me the other day that this skyline you can see now, back in the day, like I think 20 years ago or whatever, there was literally just the Sheraton, which is like the very, very end one. So yeah, like that very, very end one there, that one there, that was the only building at one point on that whole skyline about 20 years ago. How cool is that? So many buildings. Anyway. Can't believe I just broke my camera, man. No! Bye-bye. I'm gonna go head back home and try and sort it out. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new one at some point. I might come back later on. Film a bit of the night. If I don't, if the video ends now, then I hope you enjoyed it, as short as it probably is going to be. If you did like it, subscribe, like, comment, let us know what you want me to do next. I'm going to be here for a few more weeks, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.